You're watching Business Africa. Thanks for staying with us. OPEC's decision to cut oil production is yet another blow for oil exporting countries. It now forecasts a global demand of 0.99 million barrels per day as compared to more than a million. This slash, they say, is because of the coronavirus outbreak in China. The first victim of this downward revision is the aviation sector. Here's more with Wahane Johnson-Sambu and Claudine Sono.
The rapid spread of the coronavirus across the world is bringing the global economy to its knees. Stock markets are plummeting while businesses and companies are shutting down. To make matters worse, a black gold crisis has erupted following Saudi Arabia's decision to sell off its oil. The move is in response to Russia's refusal to lower its crude production. At a summit in Vienna on Monday, OPEC hoped for an agreement on oversupply to stem the collapse of prices caused by the slowdown in the Chinese economy. Africa's largest producer of black gold is not spared by the disaster. Nigeria has identified only 2 cases of the coronavirus, but will have to revise its budget downwards and stimulate its production to mitigate the shock of the collapse in barrel prices due to the COVID-19 epidemic. Its finance minister Zainab Ahmed has appealed for a revision of the reference price of crude oil set at $57 a barrel for the year 2020.
Now, Gabon, which undoubtedly does not want to be influenced by the coronavirus outbreak, is in the middle of the Tortue Phase 2 operation, which will allow the production of larger quantities of oil in the coming years. The country, which currently produces nearly 12,000 barrels of oil per year, has started operating the offshore field located in Dusaf.
Gabonese oil company BW Energy has announced the start of oil production on the offshore Tortoise Phase 2 field. The project is located in the Safo Marine License. Production started with a DTM 5H ahead of schedule. The field will be followed by the DTM 4H next week. Phase 2 of the development of the Tortoise Zone will consist of the operation of 4 wells, all connected to the BW Adolo FPSO. The other 2 wells are under construction and are expected to be operational early in the second half of the year. At full capacity, the entire Tortue field is expected to generate between 17,300 and 21,600 barrels of oil equivalent per day before year end, compared to an average of 11,800 barrels of oil equivalent in 2019. The scope will more or less slow down the decline in Gabonese production, which began several years ago. Several other projects are being developed to boost national crude oil production.
We have come to the end of Business Africa. Thank you for watching. For more, do follow us on our social media pages at Africanews and at Africanews FR, or visit our website africanews.com.